Good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss about the different question answers that you are going to write from the chapter The Lion and the Foolish Donkey. Okay, children, you have read this chapter, and in this chapter you have the story that what are the characters that you find here. They are the donkey, the lion and the fox. Okay, now the story is once a lion got wounded while fighting with an elephant. You know that elephants are as powerful as lions. So they had a fight among themselves and the lion was severely wounded, that is badly wounded. Okay, and that's why he became powerless. So he asked his minister, a fox. The fox was his minister. He asked his minister to help him to get a prey or a victim so that he could eat that animal because he was very hungry and could not go for hunting. The fox anyhow managed to fool a donkey and bring him to the king, that is to the lion. The lion, at first the donkey could understand that the lion was going to kill him, so he escaped from there. But again, he was brought by the fox by telling that it was only a test for him that the king was going to take to see his alertness, because he is going to keep, the lion is going to keep the donkey as his bodyguard. Okay, but second time the donkey could not save himself and the lion pounced on him and killed him. So this was, the fox had fooled the donkey, and so the donkey was killed by the lion. Now it was the turn of the lion to be fooled by the fox. You see, lion is a so powerful animal, fox is a small animal, but it is very clever and cunning. So what did it do? It planned to fool the lion and take its share of the prey. Okay. Now what did it do? It told the lion that before eating the donkey, he should go and take a bath and say the prayers. Okay. And by that time, when the lion went to take a bath, the fox just ate the brain of the donkey. Not any other part, but the brain, because he was very cunning and he has something to say to the lion to fool him. Okay. So when the lion came back and asked where was the brain of the donkey, the fox said that very natural that the donkey was not having any brain at all, and this is the reason that he could be fooled by them. Okay, and brought to them. Otherwise no other animal, any animal which was having a brain would never be fooled like the donkey. Okay, and so the silly lion got fooled by the small fox and ate the rest of the food left over by the fox. Okay, so this was the story, children. Here you have got some important words, new words. Okay, the first word is your severely, that means badly, that is something badly. And you have the wounded part, that is hurt, that is you got somebody who got hurt. Another word for it is wounded. Okay, you have the word prey. What is the meaning of the word prey? Prey means victim, one who is facing, one who is caught as a victim is called a prey. Okay, next you have powerless, that is one without having any power, that is powerless. You have learned about the suffix, children. Here power is the root word and less is added to it as suffix. So the word became powerless with a complete opposite meaning. Next you have pounced, that is sprang or jumped upon something. Okay. Next another word is escaped. Now in this story, escape means the donkey escaped means donkey could save himself anyhow. But actually the word in any place you see that escape means to run away. The word meaning is given to you according to the story, that is was safe. Okay, escape means was safe. Next, hid. Hid is to keep anyone or anything away from the sight of anybody. That is called hid. Silly. Silly means foolish, one who is not having any sense. Next, accepted. That is to agree, to say yes. Okay. Next, alertness. This is the quality of watching and listening to something attentively or carefully. That is called alertness. So a bodyguard should have the alertness so that he can keep his master safe from any enemy or any attack. Okay. So the donkey was expected to be alert. Next, you have some complete the sentences. Now children, complete the sentences. The half the sentence is given to you. You can complete the sentence in any way according to the story. The story should be correct and the grammar part also should be correct. It is not necessary that I am giving you the rest of the sentence. You should write that. If your sentence is correct, there is no problem. The lion was powerless because. Why was the lion powerless? What is the reason? Because he had a fight with an elephant. He was severely wounded because he had a severe fight with the elephant. You can write this. Next, the lion found the brain of the donkey missing. Why did the lion find the brain of the donkey missing? Because while he was away taking bath, at that time the fox had already eaten the brain of the donkey. So the brain was missing. Next, the lion was hiding behind a bush. Why was the lion hiding behind a bush? In the second part, the second time when the donkey came to him, he understood that if he wants to kill the donkey, he has to hide himself so the donkey can be fooled. Okay, so he hid himself just to kill the donkey at that moment. Okay, so these are the three complete sentences I have given you. See to it and learn it. Next, you have the question answers. How was the lion wounded? How? What? In which process? The process was that very simple. It became powerless. It became wounded because it had a severe fight with an elephant. While fighting with an elephant, the king of the forest, the lion, was severely wounded. Next, who lured the donkey into the lion's den? What is the meaning of the word lure? You are not getting it in your book, but I have used it and I have also given you the meaning. Lured is to trick somebody. Okay, to fool somebody and divert him from the path. That is called luring. Okay, so who lured the donkey? The donkey was lured by the cunning fox. The cunning fox, who was the senior minister of the lion, lured the donkey into the lion's den. Okay, lured the donkey to come to in front of the lion. Okay, how did he lure the donkey? Now, what was the process that he took to take the donkey to the lion? The cunning fox said to the donkey that the lion wanted a bodyguard and the donkey was fit for the job. So the donkey was just fooled by saying that he was the right person to take care of the lion. Okay, and he was brought in front of the lion. The donkey believed the fox and followed him because he would have understood what the thing he can do. That is, can a donkey take care of a lion? But the donkey did not understand his own power. So he came with the fox to become the bodyguard of the lion, and he was killed. Okay, so these are some questions that I have discussing today, but many short questions can be there, children. We will discuss it in the online also. Okay, read the chapter properly and learn the question answers. Okay, thank you.